Hey everyone, today I'm creating a full glam makeup look using Lakmé's brand new Rouge Bloom collection, and this fierce black and gold dress is the vibe. Get ready for a bold eyes, a stunning base and the perfect pout. Without wasting any more time, let's get starting this video. Now I'm gonna be using Lakme Hydra Pro Serum. Starting with Lakme Sunscreen for a hydration. In with their Lakme Absolute Primer to smooth out my base. Always prep your skin well for a long lasting glam look. Use that on natural yet a glam finish, perfect for this bold outfit. Using Lakme concealer, a little concealer to brighten under the eyes and around the mouth. Contour the cheekbones and a jawline.
In this crazy life we live, we all need someone to hold, a friend to light the way when the world starts to unfold. Through all the ups and downs, the highs and lows we share, we'll stick together, ride or die. Let's show we really care. Through thick and thin.
Next I'm gonna be using Lakmé Rouge Bloom Compact Powder, shade light medium. Getting it all down lightly, we want a matte base that doesn't caking.
You've been there by my side, a shoulder to lean on when the tears couldn't hide. You're the one who lifts me up when I'm feeling down.
Now move on to eyeshadow. I'm gonna be using Lakmé Rouge Bloom eyeshadow palette. I am obsessed with the gold plus rose shimmer shades from the Rouge Bloom palette.
My friend, there's no need to wear a frown. Friendship, oh friendship, upon the storms and sunny days, together we'll walk this road hand in hand.
They pop beautifully on the lids using deeper tones on the outer corner.
Friendship, oh friendship, let's make our colors blend. In the silence of the night, all the chaos of the day, you're the one I turn to.
And gold shimmer at the center.
Every single way with you, I find solace in the warmth of your embrace. Together we stand strong in this endless race. Friendship, oh friendship, let's make our colors blend.
Next I'm gonna be using Lakme Kajal for a depth.
And I keep you in my heart, in my.
Next I'm gonna be using Lakme Iconic Mascara to lift the lashes.
My heart is where you are. I still think.
Next I'm gonna be using Lakmé Rouge Bloom same eyeshadow palette. Softly filling in brows to frame the Next I am using Lakmé Rouge Bloom blush. This blush is so fresh, it adds life to the face. Be using Lakmé Rouge Bloom highlighter. This gold highlighter ties in so well with my dress, fringe and shoes. I'm gonna be using Lakmé Rouge Bloom lipstick. Let's finish with lips. I'm using this beautiful shade from the Rouge Bloom collection, bold and confident just like the look. Here's the final glam look. The Lakmé Rouge Bloom collection totally delivered. Everything feels like a luxe, fresh and on point for my black and gold evening vibe.
I hear the beat, it's in my chest, got me
If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, comment your favorite products from the Rouge Bloom collection and subscribe for more fashion meets beauty glam look. Love you all.